Today, we gather with heavy hearts to honor and remember the life of our beloved Tata, Federico S. Pagariga, who passed away on November 3, 2025. While his passing has left a deep emptiness in our hearts, we are also here to celebrate a life that was meaningful, selfless, and full of love. Tatang was not only a grandfather, but a pillar of our family, someone whose presence gave us strength, comfort, and a sense of belonging. Tatang Federico lived a life grounded in the hard work and quiet sacrifice. He was a man who understood the value of perseverance. Through the years, he faced life's challenges with courage and patience, never complaining, never seeking praise. Instead, he chose to work silently, carrying responsibilities with dignity. He believed that real strength did not to be loud. It showed inconsistency in honestly and in the way one takes care of our family. From him, we learned that success is not measured by wealth or recognition, but by the lives you uplift and the love you give. As a grandchild, Tatang's love was steady and unconditional. He expressed love not through grand gestures, but through everyday actions, through his concern for our safety, his reminders, his stories, and even his silence. He was someone who listened more than he spoke, but when he spoke, his words carried wisdom. To his children, he was a guide and protector. To us, his grandchildren, he was a source of comfort and inspiration. Being around Tatang felt like being home. One of the most beautiful things about Tatang was his humility. Despite all he had done for our family, he never demanded recognition. He was content knowing that he had done his best. He taught us the importance of respect for elders, for work, and for one another. He showed us how to stay grounded even in difficult times. And now, to remain kind even when life is unfair. These lessons were not taught in classroom, but in the way he lived every single day. Of course, there are moments we now wish we could relive. Times we wish we had listened more, spoken more, or simply stayed a little longer by his side. There are regrets, as there always are when someone we love leaves us too soon. But alongside those regrets are countless memories filled with warmth and gratitude. Memories of laughter, of quiet moments, of lessons shared and love given freely. These are the memories we will carry forward and no one can ever take from us. Today, we grieve, and that grief is a reflection of how deeply we love Tatang. But even in our sorrow, we choose to be thankful for the years we were blessed to have him, for the sacrifice he made, and for the legacy he leaves behind. Tatang Federico may no longer be physically with us, but his values live on in our actions, in our choices, and in the way we love one another. Tatang, thank you for being our strength when we needed it most. Thank you for your patience, your wisdom, and your unconditional love. You have finished your journey here on earth, and you have done it with honor. We will miss you dearly, but we will carry you with us, always and forever.